As with many Italian food names, the pronunciation of
Pistacchio,
was Americanized over time, most likely because the Italian immigrants were fed up with constantly trying to correct the pronunciation. The biggest difference between the two pronunciations is that English speakers pronounce the CH as a sh sound, whereas in Italian, CH is a hard k sound. English speakers also fail to pronounce the double C, which is pronounced by holding the consonant for a brief second before releasing. It sounds something like a very short pause in the middle of the word. In both America and the UK, pistachio is pronounced as 4 separate syllables, pistachio. In Italian, it's just 3 syllables.
pistacchio, pistacchio. Adoro il gelato al pistacchio.
I love pistachio ice cream. Pistacchio is a masculine noun. To form the plural, just drop the final O, and you get
Pistacchi. Che buoni che sono questi pistacchi.
these pistachios are so good. Pistacchio also refers to the tree on which pistachios grow. You can use the word figuratively to indicate the soft green color reminiscent of the seed.
Cosa ne pensi di questo cappello verde pistacchio?
What do you think of this pistachio-colored hat?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.